Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made Bowser's Castle using the Wilton Castle kit. Start by ganaching an 8-inch cake. For the top, roll out some grey fondant. I then use a pebble impression mat to emboss the icing. Brush the top of the cake with piping gel and then apply to the top of the cake and trim away the excess. To panel the side, roll out a length of fondant that is long enough to go all around the cake. Trim the bottom to create a straight edge. Roll the fondant into a tube shape and gently apply to the side of the cake. Use a smoother to make sure all the paste is stuck down and cut away any excess. Then, using a wall effect impression mat, emboss the sides of the cake. You should have something that looks like this. I have dialed the cake and stuck on a board ready for the top tier. My top tier is a dummy cake, but I followed the exact same process to cover that too. For the top of the castle, roll a strip of fondant with some Tylo added to help it stand up. Use a small cutter to cut away evenly spaced sections. Add some edible glue and stick it to the cake. To neaten the edge and to create a decorative trim, extrude a piece of fondant using a 3-petal disc. Gently twist the paste and apply to the cake. To cover the Wilton Towers, roll a piece of paste large enough to cover the turret. Mark the centre of the paste and cover the turret with edible glue. Then tease the paste over the bottom of the tower and mould the paste to the turret, making sure to get into all those nooks and crannies. Gently tear away any excess paste. For the tower section, emboss some paste using the same mat as the castle wall. Cover the tower with glue and apply the fondant. Don't worry too much about the seam, as you won't see it. To create Bowser's collars on the top of the towers, stick a strip of black fondant around the top. Cut 8 equal sections of yellow paste and mould them into teardrop shapes. Mark guide holes using the fondant tool and glue them into place. To attach the towers to the cake, carefully decide where you want to place them. Cut away any areas to allow the tower to sit flush against the cake. I use some grey royal icing to stick them down. Then simply apply all your decorations as desired. You can either make your own models like I did, or you can buy various Super Mario toys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I can't show you absolutely everything, otherwise we'd be here all day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.